guys, Rachel here from Yoobi, and welcome to Yoobi at Home. On today's episode of Yoobi at Home, I wanted to go over some tips and tricks on how you can create the perfect learning space within your home. No desk? No problem. We've got you covered. Follow along for these quick and easy steps to create that perfect learning space within your home. First things first, identify that quiet zone within your house. No matter what, one thing that is universal to all of our homes is we can find a quiet zone within our house. For me, that happens to be our kitchen. Step 4, keep calm and add a plant. It is scientifically proven when adding plants to one's workspace, it significantly reduces stress within our bodies. So go on and add those greens. And that's it from us. Hopefully you found these tips helpful and easy to do within your own home. Stay tuned for next week as we go over some block scheduling. Bye!